guys, so I'm here with another cooking tutorial. My lighting is super bad. I don't know what the deal is. I'm going to make tortellini soup tonight, and it seems like it's super easy. I was actually thinking ahead, printed off the recipe this time, so I don't have to refer to my phone back and forth. I can just refer to this. So it seems like it's super easy. It only takes about 25 minutes with the prep time and all of that stuff. So I went ahead and already plugged in my Instant Pot and turned it to saute so it can start to heat up. I also chopped up a medium onion and 2 carrots. I diced those, and then I opened up my package of chorizo. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to my Instant Pot. One and 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my carrots, onion, and chorizo. So, the tube kind. And you're going to saute for 5 minutes. Roughly a little less than half of it. A little more of it now. I might make the Olive Garden soup tomorrow so I can get rid of the rest of that kale, because it's really the only thing I use kale for. Okie dokie. I think it's been about 5 minutes, so we're going to add in our 3 cups of chicken broth. Turn it on Dutch if they're getting excited like that. Okay, so 3 cups of stock. You need 3 cups of water. So you need 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. A teaspoon of salt. I'm just going to do a couple of cracks from my my pink sea salt. You can always season it later. Okay, is that all the seasoning I need? Salt? Yeah, okay. So the kale is going in. I went ahead and rinsed my kale. Okay, so my Instant Pot has finished. We're going to turn it off. Depressurize it. And then after that's done, we'll add in our heavy cream and saute for 2 minutes. It smells so good. Alright, we're going to set it on saute for 2 minutes. Well, we'll set it on saute. I'm going to pour in our heavy cream. And it says to let it cook for 2 minutes. Give it a quick little stir. But I think sausage would be really good too. I think sausage would make it kind of more similar to the Olive Garden soup, except for the Olive Garden one has potatoes in it. So this one has carrots and onions. But it's pretty similar, I mean. What kind of soup is your guys' favorite? I love all the Olive Garden ones. I love that zuppa toscano, and I love the chicken gnocchi. It's really good. I like chili, broccoli cheddar. I had lasagna soup not too long ago, and that was really good too. I'm gonna have to make that sometime. That was delicious. And I also made the Instant Pot lasagna maybe a week ago, and that was really good. I think it's good. I'm going to dish it up. Alright, there's our soup. Oh, what is up with my angle?
Are those greens in there?
It's kale.
Look like collard greens.
I shredded up some Parmesan cheese on the top, and I'm gonna try to attempt a bite without scalding the taste buds off my tongue. I can't get a good bite. It's like super soupy. I probably should have put more tortellini in there.
Yeah, blow on it.
It's really good. I think next time I would probably put sausage in it because it's kind of like Italian tasting, but then the chorizo gives it like a Mexican kick, so it's kind of like weird, but it's good. I just think next time I'm going to use sausage just as a personal preference, and I think I'll probably put a little bit of pepper in mine.
How about sausage and chorizo?
Maybe that might be good. Alright, so let me know what you think if you try this. It's good. It's fast meal, and that was what I wanted because I forgot to take out any kind of meat today. I didn't have anything thawing out. So we will see you in the next video, which will be my haul probably that I'm going to do in just a little bit. See you later. Bye.